everybody. It's the big day. Let's see, where's the damn bag? I got my bag here with some clothes and, personal care products like toothpaste and shit. We're gonna load it up in Grand Prix, and I need to wash it really bad. Like I said in the last video, it was crazy dirty to me. So we're gonna go to the wash, and then I need to fill it up, E85, good stuff. And then we'll be on the way. So yeah, I'm gonna go outside and into the car quick. Well guys, it is 6:22 a.m. on a Saturday morning. Don't think my neighbor's gonna be very happy with me starting this. Just yeah, we'll see. Yeah, it's a little loud. Start it up right away. That's awesome. We're just gonna casually pull out of here. Sorry, neighbors. It's an extremely loud vehicle to be driving in a suburban area like this. I'm gonna hit up the car wash and we'll put up gas in it. First, let's go get this baby clean. So the car wash seems to be actually pretty empty, but I'm gonna take the middle one just because. You gotta put the windows up, obviously. All right, guys, let's get to it. Well, she's clean as a whistle. A little wet. But yeah, let's get going. Guys, we are fueled up. We're up road. Got about 2.5 hour drive. We need to stop and get oil. I run Brad Penn, and I have to get that from a racing store or a certified retailer. And yeah, but I probably won't do much vlogging because I don't have AC. It's gonna be hot, so I'm gonna have the windows down, and it's gonna be way too loud to even try to talk. So I'll probably just do this quick bit and then do more vlogging once I get into town up north in Minnesota. I mean, it's not up north Minnesota, but it's out release. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. Guys, we are here at R&S. You can't really see the sign, but it's R&S Racing in Albert Lea, Minnesota. So if you ever need any racing parts or good oil, come to this place. So I'm gonna run in there and grab some stuff. Well, everybody, the car is here at my friend's house finally. Just got here and drove fine, you know, didn't get hot or anything. Now wait for the engine to cool down before we tear into it and get to work putting those Cometic head gaskets on. It's gonna be a long job and it's gonna be super hot today, so hopefully everything goes well. But excited to get it running, and I've got a race lined up after we get this done with a with my friend's Charger. It's it used to be a cop car. It's got the Hemi in it. So, as long as everything goes well getting this fixed, line them up tomorrow. So, other than that, once it gets fixed, I will get a video of me doing a pull. And I'm sure a lot of you wanted to see that, so we'll get that done. So I'm also going to make sure, or try to get some video footage of tearing apart the engine. Just for fun, we'll see. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.